We have a standoff, folks. You can't go in there, Alphabet. Charlotte, Alphabet just went in the house. I gotta go get her. She is the neighbor's cat. She shouldn't be in the house. I know. Alphabet, you need to come outside. Charlotte's not gonna like it. There you go. Okay. The tension builds, folks. I know, Charlotte. I know. I'm sorry. Let's go in the house before there's an international incident. Come here, kitty. Not good, folks. We've had pretty good relations up to this point, but today might be the breaking point between Alphabet and Charlotte. This is Charlotte's home. Alphabet's just visiting. But Charlotte, the famous black cat, would like to come in for some crunchies. But Alphabet has the higher ground at the moment. So right now we're at a standoff. What will happen next? Alphabet, will you let Charlotte pass so she can come in the house? Will you? Come on, Charlotte. Let's go in. Just run real fast. No fighting. Are y'all gonna be nice today? Okay, be a good girl. Be a good girl, okay? Goodness gracious. All this hissing. All right. We're going to have to do some negotiations. Okay, Alphabet, if I bring you some crunchies, will you eat out here and let Charlotte come in? Charlotte, is that agreeable to you? Okay, let's try that out.